Apache, Blackhawk, Cobra, Osprey.
It's a lot of training for the Antarctic.
It was the one continent I never set foot on.
It's one of my least favorite continents.
Kinda like it here.
You like it here?
Yes, sir. Be there in about 10 minutes, sir.
Look, we've been through this. I'm not your man.
Keep moving.
I'm a doctor, a medical doctor.
There's nothing to be afraid
You
of.
don't understand. I break things like this.
This device has survived for millions of years intact. It will survive you. Now sit down, close your eyes, and concentrate.
Again, nothing.
This time, just try to imagine an image of where we are in the solar system.
I think I feel something. It could be lunch related.
Shut up and concentrate.
What did I do?
Get us back down there!
All inbound craft, we have a rogue drone that could seek a target on its own. Land immediately and shut down your engines. This is not a drill. I repeat.
It's too late. Hang on. Brake right. You guys said right. Get into that, sir.
I told you I was the wrong person.
It doesn't matter now. Just do something.
Like what?
Carson, concentrate on shutting that weapon down before it hurts someone.
I can't see it. Pull up. Pull up.
What about now?
Sounds good. Shut it down. Sir, what the hell was that?
Wait for it.
Get out!
I think I did it.